Hello, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now when it's plugged, swipe down notification bar, select portable storage. Unfortunately, I will have to format my USB drive, but I won't do it because I've got the files on it. But basically, after you format it, you will be able to go to Files and see it right here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.